Hey everybody, it's Groggy D back here at the Groggy D home with all my fireworks, getting ready to shoot off Wicked Craving by Raccoon. See what kind of information we get on here. We've got an interesting looking cover. And we should have something over here. There we go. Shot count, there's 25 shots. It's a 200 gram cake. It's a big cake, 200 gram, loud cake. Display direction, again, this one is trying to say straight up, but this is actually a fan cake. 12-second duration. 22-second duration. Colors, we've got red, blue, gold, green, silver, white. Gold wave with blue crackles mine to white strobe and red falling leaves. Blue with red lace. Crackles mines to green strobe and yellow falling leaves. Red and green and blue with silver chrysanthemum. I've seen this cake and it has wonderful color. The falling leaves are so cool. Again, it's angled, fills the sky with 2, 4, 5 shots at a time. And also the amazing red lace by Raccoon. Lots of Raccoon quality on this one. Not so much a willow cake. There are willows, but it's definitely that lace and falling leaves. You're going to like this a lot. Please like and subscribe. Groggy D.